Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Master Larner AI. Today, we are going to delve into the exciting world of coding and how you can start your journey to become a proficient coder. Learning how to code can open up a world of opportunities in the digital age we live in. Whether you want to create websites, mobile apps, or even work in data science, coding is a valuable skill to have. The first step in learning to code is to choose a programming language. Some popular languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Each language has its own uses and learning curve, so it's essential to pick one that aligns with your goals and interests. Next, familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of coding such as variables, loops, functions, and conditional statements. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and Khan Academy offer excellent tutorials and courses for beginners to get started. Practice, practice, practice. Coding is a skill that improves with hands-on experience. Try working on mini projects, joining coding communities, and participating in coding challenges to sharpen your skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Debugging errors is a crucial part of the coding process. Embrace the challenges you encounter along the way, as they will only make you a better coder in the end. Remember, learning how to code is a journey, not a race. Stay patient, stay persistent, and most importantly, have fun while you're at it. Who knows, you might just discover a passion you never knew you had. That's all for today's video on how to learn coding. We hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start your coding journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tutorials and tech-related content. Until next time, happy coding!